Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about common naming mistakes, and this is from my second book, Trading Wisdom, 50 Lessons Every Trader Should Know. It's lesson 40. So let's get right into it. Some common naming mistakes. And not that they really matter that much, but it's good to know what's right and what's wrong. So people talk about a back test or versus a retest. So what does that look like? So we have, for example, Algo here, which did a double bottom, peak, trough, and the price breaks out. Now it's coming back and it is doing a potential retest. People call this a back test, though. They say, oh, it's back testing, 24, 25 cents resistance. Now, back test actually refers to an automated trading strategy where you tell it to buy here, do this, and then it looks back at a historical period of data and tests that. This is actually a retest or a throwback, not a back test. Another big one is a bull flag versus bull pennant. And as people use it to describe there's an advance and we have some type of consolidation. Now, this would be a bull flag. This would be another example of a bull flag. You could also have a rising bull flag. But this is a bull pennant where you have the lines converging. A bull flag has parallel upper and lower channels. Not that it matters too much what you call it, whether it's a bull pennant or a bull flag. It's consolidation after an advance. It's probably going to lead to continuation, but it's a bull flag and bull pennant. They have different construction, parallel lines for the bull flag and converging lines for the pennant. A big one is doji and spinning top. You may have a small candle body and people say, look, it's a doji, it's a doji. Well, this is definitely a doji, but this is more of a spinning top. So people say, oh, look, it's a doji. It is actually a spinning top. A doji is a small to zero body, should have no more than 5% of the entire candle's range as a real candle body. This could be a doji. This could be a doji, but that's a spinning top. This is a spinning top. So it's a big thing, but people confuse the term doji and spinning top. You can pause and read this. What it requires to be a spinning top, what it requires to be a doji. Now, does it really matter? Not that much, because they're both small bodies representing a pausing in momentum. The doji represents an even deeper pausing than a spinning top, and now you know the difference. Now you know the difference between a back test and a retest, a doji and a spinning top, and a bull flag and a bull pennant. And this is the lesson 40 from Trading Wisdom, Common Naming Mistakes. This is the Trading Encyclopedia daily playlist on my YouTube, Chads Trading. I'm on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Take care.